rain on my parade. In all the clubs you get in using my name.
Hello everybody, I am Marina Murcia Lopez, a student of Group 1 of the Integration Skill, and this is my video about the subject. This video is divided in 3 parts. First, my reflection about the subject, then an assessment of the presentation of my classmate. On the one hand, I will mention 2 activities I like and we highlight them. I will also explain with my classmate develop this activity. On the other hand, I will talk about an activity I didn't like, and I will describe how to improve it. Well, I will start with my reflection about the subject. From my own experience, I must say that I have really liked this subject. I took this subject with a little fear because I had taught this subject before and it was very different. Now it has improved a lot in my opinion. Fairly because of the way fairly because of the way it in which it organized, and also because of the content. I must say that this year I have appreciated an improvement in my knowledge of English. I think it is also due to the teacher who in my opinion, has helped us to be interested in this language, as well as feel motivated to get advancing with it. Okay, now I am going to talk. I am going to talk about the positive assessment. First of all, I would like to say that all the group did a good job, but if I had to choose my favorite, I would be on the one hand an activity of the group who talk about the continent and means of transport. This activity consists in doing a crossword with a QR code. The teacher put the code around the class, and with an application the children scan the code to see which means of transport there in the code. This activity was designed for a primary level. I consider that it was the activity that the best achieve the main goals using ICT. Okay. The second activity that I like was of the group who talk about the body parts and hygiene routines. Sorry, I don't remember for which level it was designed. This activity consists in doing the work with a dice. The teacher said a word of the vocabulary, and the children have that do this word. I like because the activity and the materials was very original. I think that the children will enjoy with this activity. And finally, I am going to talk about the negative assessment. The activity I enjoyed less was one of the group that talk about clothes and food. It was an activity to introduce vocabulary that consists in finding the letter that was missing in a word. I think it is enough an activity that helps children to know vocabulary. I consider that the activity could have improved if they have the words with the card with the full words. So children would only have to listen to the vocabulary and choose the correct word. Finally, I could say thank you the teacher for doing the class fun and participative. Also thank you my classmates because I think that we have learned all from everyone, and it is all. Thank you.
For all the times that you rain on my parade, and all the